Hello everyone, I am going to solve exercise 1b, question number 3 from New Syllabus Mathematics book 2 D2. Question is, it is given that y is directly proportional to xn. Two part of this question. Ym square is the area of a square of length xm. Solution. Here it is given that y is directly proportional to xn. This is proportionality sign. Proportionality sign change with equality sign. Here we insert k, where k is a constant, k xn. First part of this question, ym square is the area of a square of length xm. So area of square will be y is equal to k x square m square. M square is the area of a square of length xm. So when we compare both equation 1 and equation 2, when we compare both equation, we get the value of n, which is n is equal to 2, because here is n or here is 2. So we got the value n is equal to 2. Answer of this question. Now second part of this question, it is given that y is directly proportional to xn. So solution, y is directly proportional to xn. This is proportionality sign. Proportionality sign change with equality sign. So we insert k, where k is a constant. First equation. Question is, y centimeter cube is the volume of a cube of length x centimeter. So the volume of cube of length y is equal to k x cube, because y centimeter cube is the volume of a cube of length x centimeter. When we compare both equation 1 and equation 2, we get the value n, which is n is equal to 3. The solution of this question. Question number 3 and question number 4 are MCQ type question. Now we are doing question number 4. For each of the following equations, state the two variables which are directly proportional to each other and explain your answer. 4 part of this question. A part, solution, y is equal to 4x square. These two variables are directly proportional. Y is directly proportional to x square, because if we will take the ratio like that, x by x, y by x square will give you constant 4. So this is the condition for directly proportional. So answer is y is directly proportional to x square. This is the solution of this question. Now B part of this question, y is equal to 3 square root x. Y is equal to 3 square root x. Solution, y is directly proportional to 3 square root x. How? Because y by square root. Here if we will take the ratio y by square root x, it will give you constant 3. So answer is y is directly proportional to square root x. y is that directly proportional to square root x. That is the answer of this question. Now C part of this question. These are two variables are directly proportional. Firstly, y square directly proportional to 5x cube. Y square directly proportional 5x cube, because if we will take ratio y square by x cube will give you constant 5. So y square is a directly proportional to x cube. That is the answer of this question. Now D part of this question is p cube is equal to q square. Solution: p cube directly proportional to q square. How? Because here you have got 1. How? P cube is equal to 1 q square. If I will move q square on the left side, it will be p cube by q square, which is equal to 1. So ratio is equal to constant. Then answer is p cube directly proportional to q square. P cube is the directly proportional to q square. That is the answer of this question. I hope student you understand it very well. If you like my video, please